Hey, so what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video, man. It's your brother Mighty Prophet, man. Hey, I say man a lot on my videos. Someone had commented on my comments one time. I was like, damn, I do say it a lot. But other than that, man, it's gonna be a real quick video, man. I was trying to find a video for it, but I could not find a video for it. I seen it on the Lincoln forums, but no one do a video. So once again, that's why I'm here. DIY or how-tos, man. Do it yourself. So let's
Yeah, ayy, my homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm mad. When he dials my number, he says that he want it where I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the loss.
I'm gonna show y'all how to replace this latch right here. All I want to do is show you how to replace this latch. So on the Lincoln forums, they may look so difficult, but it's really pretty simple. So I'm gonna show you on the other side because I haven't got to that side yet. And if you are new to the channel, man, and I had this car for like 4 months. I bought it just like this, so I just now around getting into it like 5 months later. But I'm gonna go clean this part off a little bit first before I put it in there. But all you gotta do is pry the sides out, literally pry that side, pry that side. The Lincoln forums kind of were very, very descriptive, but it didn't make any sense. So other than that, man, I'm gonna show you on the other side as well. I'm gonna click this in real quick. So I got the new one. It's the new one. I think it's going like that. Yeah, like this, yeah. So it should be facing this way. That clear up. There we go. So it should be facing this way. And literally, like I was saying, all you do is dig in with your flathead screwdriver and just clip these sides out. Boom, boom, you know what I'm saying? But once again, I'm gonna show you on the other side, man. I got this part for $25 a piece on I think it's like Highland 4 or something like that. I ordered it. It's supposed to come like in 2 weeks, but it came in like four days. So I know some of the parts you'll see, you go to the dealership's part, $75 for this little ass piece. And I'm like $75, so you can get it on eBay or you can get it on that website. Everyone put it in the description. My bad, I'm gonna put it in the description below where I got this from. So man, y'all look out for that. Just gonna slide that in like so. I'm just using my hand right now. Oh yeah, my bad, let me clean it. Man, that's cool. Just slide it in like so. There we go. It goes right in there. And just snaps in. There we go, man. That damn thing working. Let's press the button. Let's go, man. For real, let's go. I'm gonna show y'all the other side real quick, man. It works perfectly fine. I've been riding with like this for 5 months. So this right here is gonna be the part number right here. This is for like a 20, what are the late model versions, the 2010 and up, but they all fit the same. They all fit all the way from the 2003 and up, so it doesn't matter. If it's not, it doesn't say it's compatible, but it really is compatible. Y'all just seen it work. But other than that, man, that's the part number. Open it up real quick. Comes in the package like that. And I'm not sure if that's the same number, but I want to see that. This comes in something like this. And whoever pays $75 for a piece like this, y'all tripping, man. Always a good deal online, man. And I don't think these are the exact ones, cause let me show y'all. Like this whole piece is gold, like, and this is like a plastic type of gold. But it's the same little latch to me. It looks the same, in my opinion. It's slightly different. Slightly different, but it's the same. My kid's over here being bad. Other than that, when I bought it, he got put like some stuff to keep it latched down. So you see like a little spring right here. How to just move it using the flathead. There you go, just move. Yeah, he just put something in here like that. Other than that, man, that's all you do. Move my door back. You literally just pull it from the side like this. So I got it loose, you see? It's loose on that side. You can keep your finger on it. And then just go to the other side. Let's get the door back. Boom. It comes right out. Simple as that. And so once again, just held on by these two latches. Boom. Might be boom, boom. And all we do is gotta put the new one in. Same way, make sure this is facing out, obviously, because it's where the latch will be in. This piece right here. Snap it back in there. And that's it, man. That's literally it. Nothing else to it. It works perfectly fine. On the forums, they were saying you got to take some like tape. We zoom out a little bit. On the forums, they were saying you got to take like this whole pocket out just to get to it. I'm like, that doesn't even make sense. It got to be an easier way. So I was like, I'm gonna do a video on it. You gotta make a video because explaining it, a long process like that, you can't do it. But other than that, man, let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below. Did they help y'all out? Did it not? Did it give you somewhat of a clarity? But it's your brother Mike Prophet, man. Make sure you like and share the video. Make sure you smash the subscribe button as well.
Laughing to the bank now.
Hit on all
We
post
getting
notifications,
bags, no
you know,
more
every
water
time
out the sink.